Parts of a circle and circumference. The center of the circle is called simply the center. A radius is a line segment from the center to an outside edge point. The diameter goes from one point on the edge of the circle to another and goes through the center. A chord attaches to 2 points on the circle. So a diameter is a chord, it's just the special chord. Circumference is to circles as perimeter is to polygons. So if perimeter is the distance around a polygon, circumference is the distance around a circle. We use the formula C equals pi times diameter, which is about 3 times your diameter. If it's 10 miles across the circle, then it would be about 30 miles around. You could also use C equals 2 pi r because 2 radiuses make 1 diameter. So let's try it. C equals pi d. You always start with your formula. The second step needs to be your substitution step. Typically we use 3.14 for pi, and your diameter here is 8, so your circumference is 25.12 inches. C equals pi d again here. The distance across was 6, so C equals 18.84 meters. It's not square meters, it's meters because it's the distance around. On this third circle, the trick was to find that the diameter was 10, follow the same process, and your circumference here is 31.4 centimeters. You could also use C equals 2 pi r here to see that you'll get the same answer, and you use the radius of 5, and when you multiply across, you get the same answer. Circumference might have special instructions, so you might see estimate using pi equals 3. So they're just saying, hey, about how far around is it? Follow the same steps, your formula step, your substitution step, working across, you multiply with 3 times 12, and you get 36 meters. Leave in terms of pi simply means leave pi, treat it like a variable, so don't substitute in for it. So in this case, you just say pi times 10 or 10 pi, and you still label with inches. On the last one, 22 over 7 is another estimate for pi, so you could use that. In this case, 14 was your diameter, so 7 and 14 can cancel. 22 times 2 is 44. So what is pi? Well, pi is simply if you divided by diameter on both sides in your formula, you would get C over D, which is simply the comparison of your circumference to your diameter in every circle, no matter what size it is. So circumference divided by diameter equals pi. So pi equals the comparison of circumference to diameter.